Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can put a picture in green screen overlay on a CapCut mobile. So first add the picture in the main track like this, and then add the green screen overlay. Here I'm going to use one from the stock videos. I'm going to use this one. Okay, I've already added. Adjust the size. And now if you want to get rid of the green screen, just use the chroma key, drag the color picker and adjust the intensity and shadow. Okay, click on the check icon. Now reposition the image in the main in the main track, adjust it like this, and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.